unleashing the power of SpaceX's Dragon, a lifeline to the ISS. The SpaceX Dragon, an extraordinary spacecraft revolutionizing our journey to the International Space Station. A vessel of dreams, science, and exploration. Now, imagine this, rocketing skywards, the Dragon detaches, its destination, the ISS. A marvel of engineering connecting Earth to the cosmos. The Dragon's mission is critical. Delivering essential supplies to the brave astronauts aboard the ISS. Its cargo? Food, science experiments, even satellites. But what's more? The Dragon is capable of returning home. It brings back experiments and equipment from the ISS, enhancing our understanding of space. This is not just any spacecraft. This is SpaceX's Dragon, a lifeline, a bridge, a symbol of our aspiration to reach the stars. Join us as we delve deep into the Dragon's journey. Witness how it's reshaping our relationship with space forever. SpaceX's Dragon, delivering cargo and astronauts to the ISS, a testament to human ingenuity. A tale of exploration, discovery, and boundless possibilities.